what's up guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look. It's this beautiful glittery berry look, and I used the new Tati Beauty Volume 1 palette. This is the palette here. It's got this ginormous mirror and all of these beautiful shades. For some reason on camera, I always feel like this looks like a dark black packaging, but it's actually a very cool color. It's like a charcoal palette. I love it, and I love the feeling and everything. I hope you guys enjoy the look. Hope you enjoy following along. Please subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so my eyes are primed, prepped, all that kind of stuff. I used the Painterly paint pot from MAC and set it with powder. Dog is in here eating a bone. She will not go anywhere else, so I'm sorry if you hear her chowing and the... So I think I want to use the Poet mainly. I think I'm gonna do like a very berry-y, purpley kind of a look. The Memory color story is really like grabbing my attention though too, but I think I'm gonna stick down here. I might bounce around actually. So I think I'm gonna jump into Soothe first and do the matte shade in Soothe. And I'm gonna bring that into the crease to start as a base for everything else. I'm using a 232 from Smith. And then I'm gonna get the bottom lash line and look up with my eyes. And this color works for my skin tone to where I can carry that into my nose contour. I love browns like that. I'm gonna go right over into the matte Poet shade, which is this one right here. I'm gonna switch my brush to let's do the 247 from Smith. Bring this here in the outer corner. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful shade. It's like just a berry, you know, like a raspberry sort of shade. I love it. It's like a reddy purple. Carry it up and bring it into the crease a little bit. And then I'm grabbing that first brush I used, the 232, with whatever's left over on it. I'm just buffing this out, and whatever's left over on this brush is mixing with the matte Poet shade and kind of giving me like a new shade that didn't exist yet. Now I'm gonna switch into a 216 brush from Makeup Forever. I'm gonna grab that same Poet shade. I'm gonna look up into the mirror and apply it on the lower lash line, and then grab either one of those other brushes. I think I'm gonna grab the fluffiest one and then just buff that out. Grabbing a little bit more Soothe. I want to see what's up with this sequin shade over here. This looks like on camera. Do you see how beautiful that shade looks? I think this color here, the sequin Poet, intrigues me the most out of all of the shades because it's kind of like this plum red with a blue reflect. I think I'm just gonna do this since I just had it on my finger. Ooh. I don't know if I want to do glitter, if I just want to do this sequin-y kind of stuff. I don't know. I'm actually going to pick up more of the matte Poet and place it on the lid. I think I'm going to grab a little bit of Sequin Memory, this shade over here, and I'm going to use a pencil brush. This is the Anastasia A14 brush, and I'm gonna put this on the outer corner and start flicking it into the look here with these little drag flick motions, putting all the pigment on the outer part. I'm going to grab my 247 brush from MAC, and I'm gonna go into the metallic Poet, this shade right here. I am gonna spray it with Fix Plus. I don't know if you have to or don't have to, but I'm just going to. And I'm gonna put this on the center of the lid, carry it on the inner part of the lid. Now I think I'm gonna go into the metallic Memory right here and put a little bit of that out here. We'll see what this looks like. Hey, get over here. You're gonna knock over this light. She's humping up a storm and she's like about to knock this light over. Pretz, get in the hallway. Go somewhere else and do that. We're gonna try this. I'm gonna spray this with some spray. I'm using that Sequin Poet to kind of overlap with it since that had both the reddish cranberry color and the navy-ish color. Kind of mend those two together. I think that looks like really cool. Okay, I'm gonna grab my glitter glue if I can find it, and I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Put that on my eyeball. And then I'm gonna dip into the Glitter Poet and put that right on the top. I'm gonna go into Matte Aura and highlight the brow. I love too, you could really like mix these together. Like I think I might dab a little bit of the metallic aura in here too to give a little bit of highlight without going like too metallic, you know? And now I'm gonna go into metallic aura and put that right on the inner corner. I'm gonna grab my favorite Rimmel Nude Scandalize liner. I'm just coating my lashes with some mascara, and then I'm gonna top them with some false lashes. I'm applying these lashes. I don't know the style. I'm pretty sure they're from Velour, but they're very fluffy, very full. They're not the Here to Slay lashes. They're something else. I just don't remember the name. I'm gonna apply the rest of my mascara to balance out those lashes. All right, so that is the final look. Let me get up close. I think I have to turn the light on now that the sun has passed. Let me do that. There we go. I had my ring light off because the sun was like right here and it was super freaking bright, and I should have just left it on because I hope that wasn't too dark. But ooh, that is so pretty. I really, really love this look. I love the pinks with the black, which I guess it's kind of like a blackish navy, you know? But yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see anything else from this palette. I get that everyone is kind of sick of neutral palettes, but for me, I could have a million and then I'd still want more. I just love them. I can see myself grabbing this for that perfect brown or a black, or if I'm traveling. This has all of the shades that I would want to use. I love that there's glitter in here as well. I probably won't use the glitter as much. Honestly, that's just me. I'm more of a matte girl. I love the variety in here, especially for it being a more neutral palette, you know? I feel like there's so many colorful palettes coming out right now. The only one that I'm like actually dying over is the Shane and Jeffree palettes. Those get me excited, but everything else that's coming out right now that has so much color, I'm like overwhelmed. So this and then the Shane and Jeffree palettes right now are just super inspiring to me. This palette is really getting me excited for like the holiday season. I'm like, well, first of all, I'm just like there anyways. For New Year's, oh my gosh, that last memory row would be beautiful for a New Year's look. Maybe I'll pull it out for that. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you very soon. Bye.